Hey everyone, this is Noche, a 1953 Chevy 3100 pickup, Restomod. Under the hood we have a GM Performance Center crate 350 with Holley fuel injection, Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator, and all chromed out, beautiful engine, super reliable. Car rides on Foose Legend rims. Lokar shifter, dolphin gauges, tilt steering. Notice fiberglass tonneau cover. It's by Gaylord lids out of California. Great way to keep everything dry and secure here. It locks, twin shocks. Lots of room here. And it's a great way to protect the beautiful oak bed. The gas is here too. The gas tank has been moved underneath. Super easy one-hand operation.